Hi, I'm Sanjay Bhatt. I'm heading the business support division in LS Cable and System India. And LS Cable and System, as you might be knowing, it is one of the top three cable manufacturers in the world, and we have operations across the world. And so far, India is concerned, we have a manufacturing plant in Haryana, and we cater to the utility and other markets in India, throughout India, and we have some exports as well. So LS Cable and System India has operations in India right from 2007, and when we introduced RF cables in India and a plant in Haryana, then we started manufacturing power cables also in India from 2012, and it has been more than a decade that we are catering to Indian market with a Make in India product. So this is our product range, and all these products are manufactured in our manufacturing facility at Haryana. And when we talk of our products, we have power cables right from 1.1 kV to 400 kV. We have like LV cables, MV cables, and EHV cables. EHV cable is our main strength, and we came in India with the EHV cables to start with. And the latest development is like this 400 kV. We have started manufacturing in India, and the supplies have also started from locally. Earlier, it was manufactured in Korea, and we have been supplying worldwide also. But this is one of the main strengths we are having. 400 kV is like the topmost range that is there in India right now, and we are catering this. We have submarine cables also that are but manufactured in Korea. You see, these are the accessories, joints and terminations that we have indigenized in India. Of course, we have been manufacturing accessories, as I told. LS Cable and System Korea has been existing from last 50 years, and we are celebrating 50th anniversary. In India, we have indigenized these products now, and we are manufacturing joints and termination accessories up to 33 kV in India. And these are the accessories products. We are now trying to introduce the bus ducts also in India. Bus ducts are the products which are like a substitution, and a very good substitution of cables in industries. You have semiconductor manufacturing facilities, auto industries, battery manufacturing units, where internally, because these factories are working 24/7, and you need to have rugged products there, and without any chaos of cables. So this is the bus duct products that we are introducing in India. We have done certain projects with the auto industries in India, and we think there is a lot of potential for this industry also in India. Well, when we talk of renewable energy, there's a lot of focus towards renewable energy. For 2070, we have committed net zero carbon emissions in India. So that focus will continue, and over last 10 years, we have seen that capacity is increasing very much.